So hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna give you some basic information about CSS. I'm starting this new series of CSS on this channel, so this is introduction video. So I'm gonna give you some information about CSS, why we use and what it stands for, and in the next video I'm gonna start with the examples, and this is just an introduction video, so hope you learn something from this. So what is CSS? So basically CSS is stands for a cascading style sheet. Basically uh, CSS allows us to design our HTML page. uh, we can design like we can change backgrounds, place images, we can change fonts, we can style our pages as we want, and this freedom is because of CSS. So if you are a developer or a web designer, you should know the CSS. So CSS also describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen. So CSS saves a lot of works. It can control the layouts of multiple web pages all at once. So basically CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout and variations, and displayed for different devices and screen sizes. So if you want to make a website, so it can be visible on mobile phone with his width, so we can easily see it on our mobile devices. You can see nowadays everyone uses smartphones, so it is mandatory to make a mobile phone responsive website. The CSS is handy in this. First, CSS HTML was created to describe the content of the page, like headings, paragraphs, and all. Like this is my first CSS. It's HTML. If you want to design this, so we can add CSS with the two methods. First is we can include a style sheet in our on the same page. Add a style tag here. In that tag, in this tag, which is after a head tag or before the body tag, and we can just give a h1. Just write h1, and color is, just give a color like light gray, and just save this. And if you want to open this in the browser, I can see this is the color of our, let's change it to different color. Let's make it, let's give it just a value red. Save this and just change it to a red. Now you can see here, this is my first page. The color is changed now. So this is how we can add a style sheet in our page, on the same page, on our HTMLs. If you want to add an external, now we can add that also. So we have to just link our style sheet. So we're gonna use a link tag, which is here. The relation is a style sheet and type is text slash CSS, and we have to put so first just save this and like index.css. This is how we save our CSS files with the extension CSS, and I'm saving this on in the same folder with a same file. You can see here we have index.html file here over here, and I'm saving the CSS file also there. So you can save this with the index.html file, or you can make a separate folder like CSS folder, and just you have to add a CSS. If you have any folder, like if you have CSS folder, you can add CSS, and inside that folder any name which you given to your css file, like .css, so you can add that like that also. So I don't have any folders, I directly save in the same page, so I just have to add the file name index.html. so you can remove this from, just copy this, and you can remove this from here and save this and just paste it here and save this. Now you can go to the, now you can see here we still have that red color in our page, you can see here. So that's how we can use our CSS style sheets and two different methods. So this is the introduction video. Hope you like this video. See you in next video. Thank you.